Hello students, welcome to this part 4 for data visualization video. In this video we are going to learn how to plot pie charts. Pie charts, as you know, is in a circular format. Now in this represents the percentage of the pie with respect to the circle. These are the labels and each pie is of different color. Here again you can have a title and a legend as we have in line charts, bar charts. Now we can plot this pie chart in Python with the help of pie method. So pie plot is a circular plot divided into slices to show the numerical proportion. They are easy to interpret. They are used to show the percentage or the proportional data. They make it easier to compare the areas of growth within a business, such as the turnover, profit, and exposure. So again, to plot the pie chart, we need to import this matplotlib.pyplot. Here I have written as P. If I don't use this as P, then I have to write the entire string matplotlib.pyplot.py. So this is the advantage of using this alias as P. Then I can write p.py simply. And these are the parameters that are of our interest. X, the data which is to be plotted in the pie chart. Explode, if we want any of the pies to come out of the circle. If we don't give this explode, we will get a perfect circle. Labels for a pie chart, color of each pie. Auto PCT. Just now I showed you this percentage written here. This is to be displayed using this auto PCT. PCT distance. It is the distance from the center of the circle. By default, it is 0.6. It is the ratio between the center of each pie slice and the start of the text generated by auto PCT. Ignored if the auto PCT is none. Then shadow. Shadow is by default false, and if you need it to be true, you can write true. Label distance. Labels, by default it is 1.1. The radial distance at which the pie labels will be placed. If it is not mentioned, if it is set to none, labels are not displayed on the pie but are stored for use in the legend. Start angle, the angle at which the first value will be displayed in the pie. Now I will show you. This is a simple pie chart. I have to import the matplotlib library as P. This is the value for x-axis. Users. I am taking the value for the x-axis. That means 220, 100, 75, 80. And these are the labels. In browser, I am taking the labels. Since there are 5 values there, I want 5 pies. So 5 labels should be there. Now you see p.py, users and labels is equals to browser. Title I am showing web browsers market share and p.show. Now this is the result. Web browsers market share. This is a circle. This is the title. These are the labels. The next example. This shows the use of start angle. Now import matplotlib as P. Again, users, that is the ratio for your pie with respect to the circle. Browsers gives you the label. Now figure, as I told you in bar charts, this gives you the size of the figure. You can skip it. P dot pi users labels equals to browser. Start angle I'm giving as 60. Now you see here, the first value was Chrome. It is starting from here. From here it is starting by default. And another thing you must have noticed is that the values are shown in the anti-clockwise manner. First was Chrome. Here in the previous example, the first was Chrome. So it started from here. Second was Opera. Opera is here. Firefox. Anti-clockwise they are moving. Safari, and then finally Internet Explorer. By default it started from here, 0 degree. Now I have mentioned start degree is equal to 60 degree. Now you see the result. Now you see the result. Chrome has started from here, that is 60 degrees. And then Opera, then Firefox, Safari, and Internet Explorer. It starts from here, that is 60 degrees. Earlier it was from 0 degree. Now start angle gives the angle at which your first pi will start in the anti-clockwise manner. This is the title. Another thing to be noticed is I have given title, web browsers market share, and I can give this parameter also, font size equals to 18. So the title size is now a bit much bigger. Then p dot axis equal. Now this is used to give you a perfect circle for your pie chart. Then p dot show to display the pie chart. Now explode parameter, same pie chart we will discuss. These are for the labels, users. Now earlier it was a perfect circle. Now I want one of my pies to be exploded. So as many pies are there, that many values are to be provided in this sequence. 5 pies are there, so I am taking 5 values, 1 2 3 4 0. That means they will not be exploded, and here I am giving 0.1. That means this last pi will come out for Internet Explorer. Users labels equals to browser. Start angle is 60 again, and explode is equals to exp. Fine. I am using keyword arguments. This is the title again, font size 18, axis equal p dot show, and now I execute it. See, this Internet Explorer is a bit exploded. If I increase the value, say 2, it will be exploded more. It has come out more. So with this you can adjust. Next, again I have imported this matplotlib. Browsers, users, explode. Now this is for the pi, labels, start angle, explode, colors. Earlier it was taking the colors by default. Although they were different, each pi was of different color. You can give your own colors also in this list. I have done colors equals to gold, light blue, light coral, yellow, green. You have to use the predefined colors. These are the colors which I want in my chart. Title, axis, and show. And then I run it. Then I'm getting my colors instead of the default color. So you need to remember the name of the colors. It started from 60 degree. This is gold. This is light blue. This is light coral. This is yellow, green, and this is red. So you can give the values as a sequence for colors. Then finally the auto PCT. As I showed you, the value written as a percentage inside the circle. If you need that, then p dot pi users labels equals to browser, start angle, explode. Now you see auto PCT. If I want 2 decimal places in my percentage, I have to use this string percent 1.2 f means a float value percent. Colors I have mentioned like this, p dot x is equal and p dot show. Then I execute it. Now I can get these values. Now these are not the values which I mentioned in this sequence 220. It is the percentage with respect to the circle. So with auto PCT you can write the proportion of your pie with respect to the pie chart. And there are other parameters as well that you can explore. Thank you.